People that know me well know my story. I had a back injury in college that got me into physical therapy as a patient, and that really ignited my passion for helping people overcome injuries that were similar to what I experienced. And one of the things I hear most commonly by adults like me who struggle with back pain is that it feels great when they're working out and they're training, but then the next day their back is killing them. And if this sounds anything like you, this video is a must watch. When you're working out, the adrenaline's high. Those body chemicals are pumping. You're feeling great. You're throwing big weights over your head, or maybe you have a heavy barbell on your back, or whatever it is that you love to do. And that is really masking your symptoms in the short term. And then the next morning, all of a sudden, after you lifted all these heavy weights for all this time the day before, all of a sudden you can't even bend over to put your socks on. This leaves many people frustrated. And they think that they can't do any of the workouts that they love to do, or maybe they get a little scared because they don't want to experience that pain again, and they avoid the gym altogether. And this does not mean that you need to do that. It just means that we need to be a little bit smarter about the exercise choices and the training selections that we are making. Because if the case is that the next day you are feeling really uncomfortable, even though you felt awesome in your workout, it means that the capacity of what your back is able to handle is not at the level to match what you're asking of it in your current workouts. This is especially true with people who are doing high intensity training that's lasting a long period of time, or perhaps you bumped up the frequency, the volume, the intensity, the weights that you're doing really quickly and didn't give your body time to acclimate to it. You're one of those people who loves to get after it in the gym, or perhaps you want to get out on the mountain now that it's winter and ski and snowboard season, but the next day leaves your back feeling kind of crummy. Contact us. We will help you design a specific program to give your back the load that it needs progressively, so that that stress and that loading tolerance slowly increases over time. And then you can go back to all those drills you love to be doing without regretting it the following day.